If you've come across Zaupux, Nakowin or Poravex, you're probably asking the same question. Are these websites actually legit, or are they just another online scam? I took a closer look, and here's what I found. At first glance, these sites look pretty convincing. They have clean designs, product images, and prices that seem attractive. But that's exactly why it's important to dig a little deeper before spending any money. One of the first things that stands out is the lack of transparency. There isn't much information about the company behind these websites. Reliable online stores usually tell you who they are, where they're based, and how customers can contact them. That's not always easy to find here. Another concern is customer feedback. There aren't many trustworthy reviews from real buyers. When reviews are limited or impossible to verify, it's much harder to know what kind of experience you can expect. I also noticed a few warning signs that appear on many questionable shopping sites. Things like vague policies, limited company details, and a lack of an established online reputation. On their own, these don't automatically prove a website is a scam, but together, they should make you think twice. That doesn't mean every order will go wrong. Some people may receive their products without any issues. The problem is that the overall trust level simply isn't as strong as well-known online retailers. So, would I recommend buying from Zaupux, Nakowin, or Poravex? Personally, I'd be cautious. If you decide to place an order, start with a small purchase instead of spending a large amount. Use a secure payment method such as a credit card or PayPal if it's available. That gives you a better chance of getting your money back if something goes wrong. Before buying, it's also a good idea to search for recent customer experiences. Check independent review websites, discussion forums, and social media. New information can appear at any time. So, are Zaupux, Nakowin, and Poravex legit or scams? Based on what I found, I don't see enough evidence to confidently call them trustworthy. There are simply too many unanswered questions and not enough verified customer experiences to recommend them without hesitation.